Kimberly Hart here from Solid Foundations Therapy. You've caught me in between sessions doing some of my micro movements. Generally speaking, I like to do maybe 30 to 60 seconds of wall sits. I used to play basketball, and I remember in high school that we had to do wall sits for like a minute on the short end when we got introduced to them, and like try to aim towards 5 minutes. And while I'm not playing basketball anymore, at least not for training, and there's no one counting sort of my stamina or endurance, I still find that it's one of many ways that it allows me to take care of my body, particularly as relates to my mental health. Give me a second. So, most of you probably know that our physical health and wellness also ties in pretty dynamically with mental health and relational health. And yet, also, sometimes it feels really challenging. There's little aspects of our culture and time and work life that when do I have time to go to the gym and really invest in all the things that you may hear that support mental health as relates to engaging our physical bodies. However, one of the things that I have found and continue to really support is what I call micro movements. And you probably may hear that term utilized differently in other spaces. But what I'm referring to is taking moments throughout our day to sort of micro moments to do some movement as then supports our mental health. And so, whether it's wall sits, which is not everybody's jam, but later on, I'm going to have about 5 push ups. I'm going to get in. I have a colleague that I work with. She started with 2. Later on, later, after the workday, I'm going to be brushing my teeth. I'm going to get some high knees in and some arm stretches while I'm gargling. And all of these opportunities contribute to one, engaging in the body and being connected to the body so that I can notice some of the feelings that may be coming up, some places where emotions may be getting stuck. And movement is one of the many ways that can help move our stresses, emotional de-stress through the body and out of our system, as well as recognizing what some of those needs are. So I definitely encourage you to, where you may really want to go to the gym, and some people absolutely don't want to go to the gym, where you may not have all the time for rowing and kayaking, and even the 20-minute long walks that you would enjoy or that your doctor may be recommending, but taking a walk around the block, 5 minutes just standing outside, touching the tree as you walk past it to mow the lawn, or any of these different things. 5 push ups in between your favorite TV show, or standing and getting a couple arm stretches, or reaching towards the floor during your commercial or between episodes if you're binging, can be different opportunities to engage the body and how that may stimulate connections to your mind, your emotions, different opportunities for social awareness that can strengthen a lot of your mental capacities. And you can do these things with others that can also create a little different opportunities for connection. So you may skip the gym, but I invite you to not skip the micro movements and build them in wherever you can.